We're going to look at how you can download and play the new Call of Duty Warzone 2 for PC, which is totally free to play. Let's get started. To download the Warzone 2, head to their website, which can be found down below in the description. You have two different options for your PC to play the game. You can play through battle.net or Steam. In this video, we're going to be using Steam because it's a little bit faster on the download side. Let's click on Steam. On the next screen, you have to validate your birth date, and you have to be at least 18 years old to play this game. This takes us on the Steam page for Warzone 2. And if you scroll down just a little bit, let's click on this button that says Play Game. If you don't have Steam desktop app, you'll see a pop-up that looks like this. Click on it and then run through and download the app. We're going to use the Steam app to download Warzone 2. Once you have the Steam app, click on Play Game again, and then you should see a pop-up that shows you how large the download will be. It's 21.35 gigabyte, which is somewhat larger. Underneath that, you'll see the estimated time to download the game. The faster your internet is, the sooner you'll be playing the game. You can also specify the installation location. I'll stick with the default and then click on next. Now you just have to wait for the download and the installation to finish. Next, launch the Steam app. Within the Steam app, up on top, click on library, and you should now see an item in your library for Warzone 2. When you click on that, here you could track the progress of the download and the installation. Once it's all done installing, this icon right here will change to play icon. Once you launch the game, you'll have to set up an Activision account, and you'll also have to go through and accept their terms. Once you land in the main game, you can choose from two different game modes in Warzone 2, and they're both free. You have DMZ, and with this you work with a team to try to accomplish different objectives. There's another game mode, Battle Royale, which is similar to PUBG, and in this you try to fight until the very end and to be the last soldier standing. Okay, and that's how you download and play Warzone 2. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.